man, what's good?
The refrigerator wrap.
What man, what's good?
The refrigerator wrap. Say I'm all in the refrigerator. Pull out some chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Say
I'm all in the refrigerator.
Pull out some hot sauce. Hot sauce. Hot sauce.
Now I'm all in the refrigerator. Pull out some patties.
Fatty meat.
Patty. All in the refrigerator. Pull out some ketchup. I'm slaughtered on the ketchup.
Man, what else we got in here?
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some jelly. Ready? You ready, brother? Got some jelly.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some Velveeta. Velveeta.
Now I'm all in the refrigerator. Put up some great value butter.
Butter.
What else
All
we
in
got
the
in the refrigerator?
What? Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Y'all see that? Barbecue sauce.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some cinnamon rolls.
Send them all in the refrigerator. Put out some mustard. Squeeze it. Mustard.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some dirty rice.
Hey, that's jambalaya.
Said I'm all in the refrigerator. Pull out some milk. Big ass milk. All in the refrigerator. Pull out some cream.
Coffee house.
Cream. All in the refrigerator. Pull out some what?
Brisket. Wait. Brisket.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some
Ham. All in the refrigerator. Pull out some waffles. Cheap waffles.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some
Rotel.
Rotel. All in the refrigerator. Pull out some cheese.
We already had Velveeta, but there's some sliced cube, cheese right there.
All in the refrigerator.
Pull out some weenies.
All in the refrigerator. Pull out some nice tomatoes.
Don't spill that stuff. But man, what's up, cuz? This was the
end of our
refrigerator
wrap. It's end of our wrap. Now we going bye-bye. Say bye to the refrigerator. Bye-bye. Hey.
Oh, wait.